καλούσα την κυρία Claudia Reich, αντιπρόεδρο του Supervisory Board της Hochland Group, να απευθύνει έναν χαιρετισμό.
Almyros, Honorable Mr. Prime Minister, dear guests, dear Andreas and family, and I also cordially greet all of you from Greek Family Farm. It is a great pleasure for me and an honor to be present today at the inauguration of the new facilities and to be able to celebrate with you this big step in the further and ambitious development of Greek Family Farm. Hochland, too, is a family-owned company. It was founded in 1927, that is 95 years ago, by my grandfather and his brother-in-law. And I must say that I'm still grateful today that they chose cheese as their product. Cheese, food nourishes and brings people together in a positive social context. Food provides pleasure. Today, Hochland is one of Europe's biggest producers of all major types of cheese, with 13 production sites of cheese in 7 countries, plus sites for non-dairy products and food machinery. Yet, we cannot do everything ourselves, and we do not want to either. So, we seek for partners who share our way of doing business, whose attitudes and values are compatible to ours, and whose specific capabilities are complementary to ours. What does it mean here? At Hochland, we love cheese, and we want to excite customers and consumers with our cheese and cheese-like products. Therefore, we want to offer an attractive product range with high-quality products for everyone, which means at reasonable prices. Very important in Germany, which is said to be the most competitive food retail market worldwide. At the same time, we take responsibility. Responsibility for the people, say our suppliers, farmers, our employees, and other stakeholders, but also responsibility for the environment. Sustainability and also circular economy are major issues. Over the past, Hochland has come to appreciate Greek Family Farm as a reliable supplier of high-quality products made of sheep, made in Greece, which of course at Hochland we cannot do. Hochland and Greek Family Farm are both fond of healthy and natural food from a sustainable production. It seemed to be a somewhat logical consequence then, when in the end of 2018, we from Hochland and you from Greek Family Farm decided to strengthen our partnership by way of corporate participation. And today, we at Hochland are very happy that Andreas and his family took the decision to considerably invest in their production facilities to enlarge the capacity and be more cost efficient. German consumers have lately taken a big liking for Greek feta cheese, and demand for it is even growing. So I'm looking very confidently at our common future in the field of feta production and distribution. Congratulations to you, and Ευχαριστώ.